Ebusiafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so munuaba adwoa searching me na mede we ebrel na mestros obe subscribe to my channel na odon sa emia bell ne so obenya notification ensema ekoso wo man mu bia obenya bia tie anase obenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha nipa ya okase eka NPP communication team members no ho na odi ensem we etudwa ewo Otek FM dwumedia watu ne di dwabrem so every evening bia omoye political talk show on ho and na NPP communication team member di to bia na okire se the way Ghana for yesi ekasa bibia ye be kasa ho and fix the country and they say NPP government na beba 8 years no Ghana for be kasa no mo atwawie NDC for na beba Ghana for ye be kasa na NDC for atwa mo 8 years awie se sa na ye de e wo man mu dia ene sa e na oman no ebekọ na emom setting memfo na ye pese oman no e developing youth ho eto mo chese niama eye fofofo e wo man mu sene other countries ni bi aye na Ghana for yesu se pese yen country no te say other countries ni bi dia esese ye to ye boase na se government se MPP na wo so ye mana MPP entina so for more than 22 years 30 years ni entinu so mo develop your man no na ba se MPP by 8 years NDC by 8 years no mo ye back and forth sana enya dia eboa na development ho sense ma ye pese ekoso wo memu ne betimi ayeye na owie ana oma emfato ho bi te se oman bi te se Canada Japan Malaysia na fe Singapore sa oman mano government embetena so 3 years 4 years 8 years no mo nko e bia ba che se 21 years 30 years no mo te so na ya de no 4 years na 8 years dia enya de betumi aboa oman Ghana ende anase ochina enti ene kasa saa na o chese Japan impode president ba ko etumi atena so for over 50 years oda so so e president on man bi etise en develop enti e pese oman Ghana develop dia yenja kasa no na yemana government ba ko enko for long term na yenhwe de betumi esi na say en ode etudwa
thanks na you know indeed they also have plans person mo boa a bit my resolve some of these concerns on say you say adia tia definitely adia tia no obi su de bebe anwumre so these are things enyo bia na nyame enyo bia na yaban sa so be so na president sa so be so no e be so ne so overnight now we believe say moving forward and some omo ne yaka no ye o ma rehemu say ampa ye nyina sha kwakoye party man na nyina do party no we believe say it serves us better if MPP is in power because concerns want to send these were by more so concerns they come on they make what you say
that's right
so at the end of the day no it serves a bigger interest say you be aligning your interest to that of the party na party no it matter na by more che then your concerns na e no the pardon nyina no e be resolve it mama a classical example
but my example no Suzuki Sylvester say na ye mamu akwa by team A
ya je so
ya mamu akwa
na unim mama a classical example on say unim de Ghana your development idea no remember about 4 countries near ye wa wuti bia de dwen hu bi on say Ghana you have this mentality say aban bi ba president bi ba on na aban ni freeze within 8 years she Canada the Liberal Democratic Party she Japan she Singapore she Malaysia one party has been in government for close to 20 years in Japan quite over 50 years and that is the secret to their success what you say for ye as communicators ye nuanum serial callers any radio and TV communicators we believe say it will serve our bigger interest is the MPP it's now beyond 8 years and the only way to do that and he said yeah brand managers of the party ebe ya ni mapa ebrew na na do ni mapa ebrew o you but ya mo hu dawra bet na kofa ate ho ate asem ninka
okay
ya me kwati ase we hold it you know as a sacred responsibility to that I see a pen part na I see a pen any that interest na you in amamu no say you be making sure say MPP will go beyond 8 years and that's the only way because me MPP is not beyond 8 years on any day I qualify to be a minister so why would I want MPP to go to opposition when I know say you break it I can be a minister let me cut you not make it say I qualify to be a CEO so why would I want the party to go to opposition these are things why if I am
Mr. Honorable Qualifier
okay Mr. Fire myself
But me did this sabre more can be biama. Bibia Sinti after a year no class still more beba.
The point is
that me hear me who say or families didn't know gymnams there be no kuna no
on say senior Bibia City no anya and such a cran nyepe.
That's right.
And within every organization there are people are more or less they are the face of that organization.
Sure.
And see to show good faith say ampa ye nyina ya dia to mu say a movie on no na ye party be and answer mpanyimfo ne aka no so ne ani mpanyimfo akọ benkrom sampa we trust them based on those things you know as you taking the lead to show the good faith now yes you anya from mpanyimfo and some of kai they make what I say who from my Friday me is a Friday it show be for
yeah
but anyhow that's to tell you what is happening and I want to give party ni bia an unqualified apology say you no that gap na beto mu no whatever negative implications we are on the party, on government, no, we deeply regret it. But then soon say na there were consents. What just say, but that be that as it may, no, you party for. We are committed to governance. We are committed to the development of this country, and we are committed to projecting and other achievements to ensure say you be breaking 8 no come December 2024.
All right, Mate, and once again welcome Team A. Yes, Team A near senior communicators. Just say come be a platform so and some no baby but ning actually no. You are welcome. Maya dear mama of akwasi and near welcome one check. Na ye kwaya nim no very quick one. Keskin. Me gidi say master TBB anti we thank God. Now the issues on Galamsey. Yes, no so any yemran e wonsu so bi.
Mamina was some Sanchez Tiofobio. Metia and Pennyform about region. Most of Chinana, Ochna, and in Ochnechi, and a doctor Amakutu for delete.
That's right.
Yeah, Kanechi, yeah, Katanechi cra. A year, Dr. Amakutu for. Oh.
Twaso me pacho twaso.
Enti Pennyform about region. Enti young neighbor Boama or Penino, small soon party, no, Yakatanechi, Amanaife. Galamsey fights no phobia. I say they don't have the benefit, and I say they pretend not to have the benefit of the immediate past.
Why do you say so?
On say in policy, SNP we are pragmatic. You know, pragmatism. Applying common sense in practical matters. Minister, let me catch me. Can I say? Young name say in Zoe essay. Young name say Adi. Unim what pertains within our society and found the president goodwill our and found any and someone and pay for person be it. Mam give you a classical example. Also was CZ excavators. Nipano and this will be a fair check command the bribe say on some excavator no sama wo. But no nipa kona court. No wa waje court or that say release excavator man. In that case no what do you do? But the point is say we've gotten to a point it's not about the Mining Act. We must look into our faces and admit, say, the Mining Act, no, it is not working. To a very large extent. If it did work over the period,
I didn't see a Mining Act into me yet.
Unim, me read the paper B, or see the political economy of Galamsey in Ghana. The paper was written in 2006 by a Ghanaian professor Bia or University of Chicago. Now, all read the paper now, you realize, say, I say, and it's animal never a sin and saying, what's the young what's in Shandy? For example, the acts now at the whole all the way back, no, it's say, power, say, to go that which we diverting you. But it's all the cake as Nibida. And truly it is in the act. And this is for person just some bad no. Oh my and it's still in the oh mama said
why?
It's still in the act. Oh, I say, me point I be making it say, baby, you do not any the time for pleasantries. It's fighting this thing. Galamsey, you know, a beauty pageant. I can't answer your song quick. Mama, classic example.
Me too.
When you say Ghana, you see Ghana is here. You say yeah, sir. National Galamsey, who's a national security issue?
That's right.
You dealing with national security issue was a Mining Act. Are you serious?
But yeah,
I'm coming there.
Position yourself well. Yeah, who national security and sana.
You are still not getting it.
The act is still there.
And
the act is maybe but
when was the act made?
When
was the act made?
This I'm talking about the amended 2019. Yeah, me pesa obe flow. Send obe obi tiachira. On continue. Obe flow say enye. So what you say? At the end of the day, security issues no ho, and the security national security so ho. But then the act came to serve for a purpose.
Nobody is saying the act did not come to serve a purpose. Nobody don't say the act did not come to serve a purpose. Exactly. But what if say if it is declared say the is a national security issue? Don't you think that in essence overrides the act? That is law. So come Rasim. National security have a pick with because police somebody they should identify themselves whatever. But national security can come in and pick you now.
That's what